The lettuce, it was here. And then, we got a different type of lettuce here. Color red or purple, whatever it is. Yeah,
Then my
it's
burger,
from the
Then my
garden.
burger disappeared. You good, Michael?
Yeah.
Daddy, have a bite.
Lettuce from the garden.
Have a bite. Huh?
Babe, you need some more lettuce. Oh, there's more here.
I got more to cut out there.
Did you taste that? That color red? Not yet. Only this. This is. It was growing all winter. It survived all winter. It survived from the snow. All winter. 3 months. 3 months winter, babe. Your lettuce survived. Organic from the garden. Grass.
Well, he likes the plain there, but he likes the provolone cheese here. The provolone cheese in the bun, see?
Here's the cheese. I'm gonna use this open.
Bun! You
Babe,
like-
save the cut, babe, ha?
Yeah, we got bun, we got cheese, and we got a burger.
This one and honey.
Yeah, yep. You only have to put a little bit of, not honey, the maple syrup, and it changes it completely.
Maple syrup
Maple syrup.
instead of honey.
Sweetens it right up.
This is a maple syrup.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Last time I ate the honey.
I like a lot of salad dressing on mine.
You
In
put
case
a
you didn't
lot?
notice, yeah. I put a lot. Did you put a lot? Just like a little drizzle on top.
This one?
Yeah.
Or maple?
All right, I'll tell you when to stop.
Tell me when to stop.
Right there. Oh, oh my.
Too much.
Yeah.
I'm gonna borrow your fork,
Really use
Michael.
about half that.
Wow! Organic.
I'm not getting my.
It tastes good, babe. Organic. From the garden.
Even Michael tried it. See?
Yeah, he ate also. Michael ate the grass.
Yeah.
Babe, it's a grass.
Mix it up really good. See? Delicious.
There's more.
Eat it all.
Me?
If you want, there's more in the garden.
Oh my
Delicious,
gosh, I
eh?
don't know if I can finish it all.
Well, eat your bowl first, babe, and then make another batch. A little bit. Michael, you eating all of Daddy's burger? Ah, look at you. Yeah. Is it good? He likes mustard on his hamburger too. Daddy put
Protein?
Mustard. For me? I get a bite? I get a bite too?
It's protein, babe, because the meat, babe, the burger. Look, it's a lot, babe.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's balsamic dressing with
Sweet?
maple syrup.
No, it ain't as sour, is it?
Last time I ate honey. I put honey. Last time.
That looks good.
The maple syrup works good.
It's chipmunk.
Chipmunk, Michael. Maybe he's getting full.
Makes me want to take a nap, Michael. I'm getting so full. How about you? They got big tummy now. I got big tummy. You all done? You got big tummy too? I think so. Burger back.
He swiped your burger, babe? The all plate? You share?
Half of it.
Half of it?
Yeah, about a quarter of it.
Swiper.
Get half a burger, once you get a quarter. So burgers are a quarter pound, babe. 3/4 of a quarter pound burger. That's pretty good for a 3-year-old.
No pesticides.
Nope, nothing.
It's just normal grow.
Everything normal.
in the garden. Normal growing.
It's worth the work, babe. It's worth the work.
There's more lettuce in there in the garden. The color purple one. You didn't try it.
Yeah. Well,
Did you try this last year? No.
Yeah.
You did?
I've grown that many a time,
Last year.
babe. It's called green ice.
Green ice?
It's a very sweet tasting.
What is the name of the other one? The purple. This is green ice.
I think it's Bellia Rose.
So that's why it looks like rose.
Some
There's a
of
color
them-
on the top, the leaves.
Yeah, I don't know if that's the one, but there's another one. It's so pretty. You don't even want to eat it. It's got such a pretty color to it.
Looks like
I
a
think
flower.
Maybe that one. It's just such a pretty color to it. Pink.
A lettuce, but
like a
it's color
pinkish,
pink.
reddish, brownish.
Mixed
greenish.
color?
Yeah. Like
Lettuce?
about 4 different colors. It's beautiful.
Looks like a flower.
You just don't want to eat. I mean, you planted it out in front of your front yard.
But the rabbit gonna eat it.
Yeah, he will. They
This-
look ornamental.
this is rabbit's
It's
favorite.
It's so pretty. It looks ornamental, babe.
We got a lot of rabbits.
And it's good.
A wild rabbits.
See, that's the reason why I'm not giving no lettuce away is I only got a little patch this year. That's it.
You didn't buy lettuce seeds this year?
I do, but I didn't have time to plant them. I'm gonna do the same thing I did in the fall. I'll find a spot.
You're gonna plant in the
Plant in the
fall
fall.
and then leave it all winter like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, babe, because it's not even June and it's mature and it's still good. If it matures when it's really, really hot, like June or July, it loses its flavor. Okay?
It's gonna get bitter.
The earlier it matures, the better flavor it will have.
Okay.
And this is the earliest I've ever had lettuce, you know. I could have cut it last week, mid-May. It's this tall. I could have cut it early May when it was this tall.
But still okay taste.
What
babe.
you can do,
It's not bitter.
when it's like this tall, you can trim it and let it grow again. You get like 2 or 3 cuttings out of it.
But still tastes good, babe, even it's over
Yeah.
overweight over.
I couldn't
Over
get
tall.
time to cut it, but it's this tall and it's still very good. Usually when you cut it and it starts getting that milky color to it in the stem, it means it's going to get bitter. And if it starts to bolt, which means have a flower stalk, it'll get bitter. But it grew so well. So now I know I can
In
start
Philippines,
it.
babe, this is expensive.
Is it?
Let's
Really?
maybe. I did not eat like this in Philippines.
No.
No. It's a grass.
It's good because you can mix stuff with it, babe, and salad is unlimited. You can put like croutons, you can put cheese, you can put mushrooms. You ever see this big salad bars at the buffets?
Mm-hmm.
You can put all kinds of stuff in them. I put olives, mushrooms, tomatoes, grilled chicken. Oh, it's just never ending, babe. Whatever I could throw in there makes it good. I love salad. I miss salad.
You miss salad, you just ate it.
Just too lazy. Well, too lazy. I just don't have enough time to work. How could I be lazy when I'm constantly doing stuff? I'm so tired from work.
No more. I think I'm gonna eat the all.
Yeah, looks like you got enough dressing to mix with it too. Leon, eat his goodies.
I'm gonna eat this all.
Go ahead, babe. It's good for you. A lot of B vitamins.
B vitamins for this. What else?
Probably like vitamin C. You have to look it all
Vitamin
up.
C.
The dark green lettuce is the highest nutrient lettuce. That's why I buy the dark green.
Green.
The iceberg head lettuce, hardly any nutrient.
The green, the better.
And this has got the closest taste to the romaine. The green, this green
The
ice,
romaine lettuce.
The best green leaf lettuce is that green ice.
Green ice, the best one. This is
Yep.
green ice lettuce.
It is.
Oh, it's gone. No more. I ate it all.
Too.
I'm gonna add some more dressing.
Oh, this is delicious. Oh boy.
And then a maple syrup.
Just a little. You don't have to put a whole lot. It don't take much to overpower it. Okay. Don't take much to overpower the balsamic.
All right.
You don't want it just to
Last
taste,
batch.
you just don't want it to taste all like maple syrup. You want a little balsamic flavor to it.
The balsamic is sour. It's vinegar.
Yeah.
I burp already. It means I'm getting full.
Oh. Yeah. And the TGI Friday burgers were good. That's the way they season them. Why are they so quiet? Get back outside again.
The boys are gone.
Yeah, they're outside.
That's why the house quiet. Because they are outside.
Oh, and that's supposed to rain today. After they cool off, they throw them all back in the container so you can.
The burgers? Okay.
Well, I'm done cooking for now.
A lot of leftovers for tomorrow.
Yeah, thank God.
Leftover food.
You still going to Kroger afterwards, babe?
Yeah.
Okay.
When the kids are taking a nap, I'm gonna go to
Okay.
Kroger.
Whenever you put them in bed, because I'm going to probably take a shower, take a nap too. You get done cleaning up. I will run out there, make sure they don't get hurt. Hi, Dion.
Hello, Dion. You're inside. You're gonna take a nap soon. All done, guys. Ako ning higupon. Sayang. Sayang ang sauce.
This is the color purple. Purple salmon eating.
Seems like sweet and sour.
Also candy. Many soup. You also want that?
Hello, Dion. All aboard. All done, guys. Sweet and sour. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.